Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix dishwasher soap dispenser not opening.
Fix 1. Check for blockages. Step 1. Open the dishwasher and inspect the soap dispenser. Step 2. Remove any leftover detergent or debris inside the dispenser. Step 3. Clean the dispenser thoroughly with warm water and a soft cloth. Step 4. Close it and run a test cycle to see if it opens properly. Fix 2. Check the door latch. Step 1. Make sure the dishwasher door is fully closing and latching. Step 2. Inspect the latch for damage or obstruction. Step 3. If the latch is broken, replace it with a new one. Step 4. Test the soap dispenser after fixing the latch. Fix 3. Inspect the spring or mechanism. Step 1. Open the dispenser and check the spring or release mechanism. Step 2. Make sure the spring is not broken or stuck. Step 3. Lubricate lightly with a small amount of food-safe oil if needed. Step 4. Close the dispenser and run a cycle to check.